In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the VLOOKUP function to create this here in Google Sheets. So the VLOOKUP function allows you to pull data by vertically looking up on your data, and that's with your columns. That's what I did with this one right here. So in this example, what I want to do is to create a single line that will show these results using the VLOOKUP function. And also, I want the results to change based on whatever selected in this dropdown right here. So let's go ahead and recreate this. We're going to start off by creating our dropdown list. So our dropdown list is all of our customer names which are located right here. Let's go ahead and insert one. Go to Insert in the menu bar, select dropdown, go to Criteria and select dropdown from a range. Click on this box right here to select your range. Go ahead and select it right now. Click on OK. Done. Close that off, and here we have them. So we have all of these names that we can select, and these are all our customer names. Let's select one right now and start with our VLOOKUP function. So to start with your function, you always begin with an equal sign. There you have it. Type in VLOOKUP. The first part of our syntax would be our search key, and that will be our dropdown right here. So whatever is selected within our dropdown will be our search key, and all of the results would change depending on what's selected in this dropdown. Let's continue with our formula, comma. Our next part would be our range. So we're going to select everything in our data except our headers. There we go, comma. And now for our index. The index would be the column where that data will be pulled out based on your search key. So our index with this one would be our product purchase, which is our second column, which in this case would be column or index 2. Put that in, comma. And for the last part, which is asking if it's sorted or not, our data is not sorted, but we want an exact match, so we're just going to put in a 0. There you have it. Press enter. And now we have a camera back. If we are going to check, that is indeed the product purchase for the customer Sheldon Stevens. If we change this into something else, there you go, Bruno Harding, tripod set, that is correct. Now we want to pull out the same data from the quantity, price, and total purchase columns. And we're going to do that by just changing some things in our formula right here. We want to make sure that if we do drag this formula across our data, it will not change the search key and the data as well. So we're going to lock in those cell references by pressing F4 on our keyboard. There we go. So we've locked in our search key and our data. So if we try and move this across our data like so, we're just going to change one little bit on our formula, and that's going to be our index number. So for the product purchase, that's index number 2. For our quantity, of course, that's a different index, and that's index number 3, which we're going to change right here. Press enter. There you have it. Next one would be index number 4. So that's our column D for price. So just input index 4, press enter, and the last one would be index number 5 for our total purchase. So that's how we got our product purchase, which is an index 2, quantity index 3, price index 4, and total purchase for index 5. So if I change this customer to a different name, there we have it. We also have different results based on that search key. So that's how you can create this single line of results based on the customer name that's selected here in our dropdown using our VLOOKUP function. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.